Ever felt that spark of an idea, that urge to learn a new skill, or that desire to connect with a community of like-minded individuals pushing the boundaries of what's possible? Maybe you've stumbled upon a platform, a hub buzzing with innovation and collaboration, and a tiny voice in the back of your mind whispers, "Could this be it?" Perhaps that platform is BluPeak. You've seen the name pop up, maybe in an ad showcasing incredible projects, or in a forum where people are raving about the resources and the network. The possibilities seem endless. You imagine yourself diving into courses, contributing to groundbreaking projects, and forging connections that could shape your future. But then that little voice pipes up again, this time with a more practical concern. Am I even eligible? It's a question that likely crosses the mind of anyone discovering a new online space, especially one that seems geared towards professional development and innovation. Are there gatekeepers? Do you need a certain level of experience? A specific educational background? Or, perhaps most pertinently for many, is there an age restriction to join BluPeak? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to unravel the specifics of BluPeak's membership requirements and address that burning question head-on. Forget the vague answers and the endless scrolling through terms and conditions. We're here to give you a clear, concise, and comprehensive understanding of who can become a part of the BluPeak community. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to understand what BluPeak actually is. Imagine a dynamic ecosystem where individuals from diverse backgrounds, from seasoned professionals to ambitious newcomers, converge to learn, collaborate, and create. It's more than just a collection of courses or a forum. It's envisioned as a vibrant network fostering innovation across various fields. Think of it as a digital workshop, a collaborative think tank, and a professional development hub all rolled into one. You might find experts leading masterclasses on cutting-edge technologies, teams forming to tackle real-world challenges, and individuals sharing their knowledge and experiences in a supportive environment. The emphasis is often on future-forward skills, collaborative projects, and building a strong professional network. The allure is understandable. In today's rapidly evolving landscape, continuous learning and strong connections are paramount. Platforms like BluPeak offer a potential shortcut to acquiring new skills, staying ahead of industry trends, and finding collaborators who can help bring your ideas to life. Now, back to the crucial question, age. It's a common concern when exploring new online communities, especially those with a professional or educational focus. You might wonder if it's geared towards established professionals, recent graduates, or if it's open to individuals of all ages who are driven to learn and grow. To answer this definitively, we need to look at BluPeak's official guidelines and policies. While specific details can sometimes evolve, the general principle for most online learning and collaboration platforms is often one of inclusivity, focusing more on an individual's drive and skills rather than their age. To get the most accurate answer, the best course of action is always to consult BluPeak's official website, specifically their terms of service, privacy policy, and any FAQs they might have. These documents usually outline the legal requirements for using the platform. However, based on the general practices of similar online platforms that focus on professional development and collaboration, it's likely that BluPeak's primary focus is on the individual's skills, motivation, and willingness to engage with the community constructively, rather than a strict age barrier. Think about it from BluPeak's perspective. Their goal is likely to foster a vibrant and productive ecosystem. Excluding individuals based solely on their age, especially if they possess valuable skills or a strong desire to learn, would be counterproductive to this goal. That being said, it's important to consider the spirit of the platform. If BluPeak is heavily geared towards established professionals with years of experience in a particular field, a younger individual just starting out might find the content and discussions less immediately relevant. This isn't an age restriction per se, but more about the platform's target audience and the level of discourse. Conversely, if BluPeak emphasizes learning and skill development, it's likely to be more welcoming to individuals at various stages of their careers, potentially including younger individuals who are eager to gain new skills and build their network. So, while a hard and fast age restriction is less likely to be the primary barrier, It's crucial to consider whether the platform's content and community align with your individual goals and current stage of development. Given BluPeak's likely focus on professional development, innovation, and collaboration, the emphasis is probably more on the individual's professional maturity and their ability to contribute meaningfully to the community. While they will undoubtedly have terms of service that users must agree to, these are likely to focus on responsible behavior, intellectual property, and respectful communication rather than strict age-based exclusions beyond the legal age of consent. So, what's the takeaway here? While it's always best to check BluPeak's official documentation for the definitive answer, the likelihood of a strict upper or lower age limit barring entry for motivated individuals seems low. The focus is more likely to be on your willingness to learn, contribute, and engage professionally within the community. In conclusion, while the exact answer lies within BluPeak's official guidelines, the general trend for platforms focused on professional development and collaboration is towards inclusivity based on skills and motivation rather than strict age restrictions beyond the legal requirements for entering into agreements. Your passion for learning, your desire to connect, and your willingness to contribute are likely to be the most important factors in determining whether BluPeak is the right fit for you. So, instead of letting the question of age hold you back, take the initiative to explore BluPeak further. Dive into their website, understand their mission, and see if their offerings align with your aspirations. You might just find the vibrant community and the valuable resources you've been searching for. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.